Good morning. Today, we're getting the work done. Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm in Italy with my mom Gigi, my dad, Lily, and my nephew Luke. You may recognize me from my sister Lily's YouTube channel. Together, we own Grace and Joy Clothing Company. Right now, you are watching Chloe Simone Says. Hope you like this video and please subscribe. And we are off. We had our breakfast and cappuccino. I had a double. And now we are gonna do some work. Right, Mama?
We are going to meet some linen tailors and sewing company here in Positano. They make beautiful linens and styles. I'm always exploring opportunities for Grace and Joy. Why not? I'm here and I don't mind, so off we go. Just be an hour trip.
So we are now walking down to their store, and then now we are meeting them at their store, which is just a little ways away from where we are staying in Positano. Yes. Right now, Mom found something very nice to try on. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's too big,
But it could be sized, you know.
It looks so pretty.
Pretty. I wonder if she has this in another color. You have this in another color?
I have this color and this one, madam.
So we are in a car. We are going to see their sewers, and I think this is going to be pretty exciting.
Seamster. We don't know what it's
Seamster.
called. I've been saying sewer, but I know it isn't sewer. It's just easy to say. I speak all English.
Okay, no problem.
Do you speak English?
Little,
okay.
Poco.
Poco.
Ay. You know American, we don't speak much language. You are from here?
Positano.
Okay, it's beautiful.
You like Positano?
Oh,
you
yes,
like?
Love Italy.
Some windy roads. We are really going up the mountain here. Ooh, I'm getting a little
Seasick?
Heartsick?
Dizzy?
Little dizzy. But there are some good drivers in Italy. I think they're stick shifts. Are they stick shifts?
Better. Yeah, it's a stick.
Oh yeah, this is a stick shift. Mom knows all about the stick shifts.
On the same part?
In the same part, driving
Yeah,
herself to the
similar.
hospital. Oh, here's a turn. This is the most beautiful place I have just ever been.
Look over there. Look.
Wow. Oh, I don't want to look. It's too, whoa.
Oh,
It is
my
very
God.
steep. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. I cannot look. I cannot look. And we have arrived.
I get nervous.
We are so high up. Wow. Wait till you guys see this.
Hello, give me. Come.
Oh, now I have to take a breath.
This for winter merchandise. This for new collection for the
Wow.
summer.
Okay.
Look.
I'm looking for collection for 23. Because
Only 20.
now...
No. Only 23
Okay.
this. This is
And
collection.
do you have a price list for wholesale?
I am.
Look, isn't this cute?
That's beautiful. I
So
love
cute.
I have
that.
anche the dress. I have it.
Cute. Okay, he knows what to do.
This I have.
Wow.
It's important.
Beautiful. Muy bellissimo.
All Italian material.
Wow. Wow.
Bellissimo! Oh my word! Look, Clay, it's like Vietnam.
I know.
We shop, we buy, so
Yes.
Vietnam. You understand
You, I am.
Vietnam? Me?
Yeah.
I have company. It's like Vietnam.
Hello.
Sono affaticata. Qua si lavora. Serena.
Gorgeous. Can you imagine this is where they work? Oh my word.
Oh.
This is where they work. Look at this.
No, uva, vedi? It's per mangiare, vedi?
Wow, the grapes.
Grapes!
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, me! Just one. Grazie mille.
Thank
Amazing. They're so
you.
kind.
Not.
They feed us grapes. Wow.
No
That's the best
medicinal,
grape?
no medicinal, no. Natural.
That's the best grape I've ever had.
Look at your style. I like, I buy. You understand?
Yeah.
Some people, oh, no private label. It's no problem. I don't need to design anything. If I see what you have, it works. Your label, I buy, you ship. Simple. I buy your brand, you ship. I pay, you ship.
Yeah, I have
Easy,
the
simple,
tempo, new
simple,
collection.
easy. Go look at the
No problem.
Easy.
Cambia il valore, ne parla per il poi e finisce là. È
non
tutto qui.
fanno niente.
No.
You make me fair price, I buy. I buy a lot in Italy anyway. I buy in Milano, I buy in Milano, I buy in Paris.
I have a show in Milano.
Oh, I
in
went to
September.
Milano last
in
week.
September. I have
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me? Vietnam? Understand Vietnam? The country Vietnam. Vietnam.
Okay.
And I have long relationships with people. Relationship is more important than anything. Friendship. Hello, bond, bye for years. Not just, understand? It's
Not just money.
not just money. It's fair relationship long term. You make money, we make money. Good relationship. It's very important to me. You understand? Comprende? Okay. Okay. And I am a Jesus believer.
See?
I have to do right by God. And right with you, you right with me. Comprende? I do right, we do right together.
Natural material. This is
So
natural
pretty.
linen.
I might buy a few of
This
your-
is natural.
Yes.
You put in the machine, you
And make. This is so
the
pretty.
different.
Isn't that pretty? I
This is my
love
production
this.
material. I have
I like.
the material. Look, attention.
Okay.
Attention. No finish.
It's okay. We're used to this, aren't we, Chloe?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Woo.
This material, this,
Nice.
no, this
Yeah.
is,
The raw,
This-
and then you process.
and this
Yeah,
finish.
after it's finished. This is beautiful.
Amazing.
Compris?
I do. Come here.
Look, this bring all in the machine. Only this in the wash.
After you wash it, amazing.
Bring this, you put in the machine.
Wow.
Wow, he has to wash all of this.
Vedi?
You wash all of this in that one machine? How big is that machine?
Compris?
It's
Wow,
big.
It's big.
That's what I need at my
Only,
house.
only wash. All
All
my
of
color,
this-
only my merchandise
In
is
this
wash.
one machine.
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
word. one.
This finish.
Yes, I bought one.
This is natural and this finish. Look.
See, it softens. See, it looks like burlap, and then
Wow.
when it's finished, super soft.
This is important.
Very nice. Yes.
This is natural.
Yeah.
This, it's the same.
Same. Yeah.
Amazing,
After 12
amazing,
In 1 hour, this finish.
amazing.
You work so hard. Buy some winter
We
right
should
now.
just
because
buy
Dad
right now
said
because, like,
they don't have enough winter. Oh my goodness.
wow.
Keep filming. Oh my
This
word.
production.
Okay.
Production.
Oh,
Normal.
I'm clumsy. I'm very clumsy. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Piscina.
English? Oh,
Piscina.
amazing.
Piscina. Sta roba non sta in qua. Andiamo a piscina.
Hello.
Hello.
You sew everything here too. This is amazing.
Yeah.
All hands coming soon to shop Grace and Joy. Even though we're on vacation, we're only here 5 days. I go out and find the product, and that's why we have such unusual and beautiful things at shopgraceandjoy.com. You can see I'm excited because I love fabric, textile, and finding amazing things for our wonderful customers. Arrivederci. A question for you. Are you familiar with shipping to USA?
No problem.
Okay, good.
No problem for shipment.
All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to buy for winter. I can buy some
For
of this.
winter, I have in the
We'll
stock
pick out,
merchandise.
and you'll tell me what the price is, and we'll some buy now, so I can start. But for next year, I
First pen.
wholesale.
You have this pen. You bring me this.
Things to get us started with you. Here's some dresses. Your clothes are beautiful. Beautiful.
What do you think of this, Mom?
I love it. This is a last minute buy for holiday and for winter. All handmade in Positano, Italy.
One thing about Gigi, my mom, when she puts her mind to something, she gets the job done. And that's what you have to do when you are in business. I'm still learning.
So this is free size. We'll get 3 and 3 tops to go with it, okay? And the same with this, 3 and 3. And this, one size, 3 and 3, and divide it between the stores. The hard thing is which store is going to get what color.
The texture on this is amazing.
This is one size, 3 red, 3 black.
3 black.
3 red, 3 black. These are one size, so 3 and 3. 3, 3, 3. Anything one size.
Moment. 3 no possible.
XL.
Medium large, extra large. Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then, do you have any more of this solid green? But no skirt. I'm not gonna no skirt.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
too much green. You know,
No
green,
problem.
green. That's what I like. So this one, 3 total. You have more?
I found a dress I'm gonna try on. I'm gonna make do, just try it on back here. No one will see me. When I used to live in New York City and I would go to sample sales, women would just, there's no dressing rooms, and you would just try things on right in the middle of the room. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, I know this dress will be a little long on me, but that's okay. I have shorts on, so. Oh, no, this is so pretty. I'm back here. You should see what I have on.
Look at this. Isn't this pretty?
It's
And
so
this is the
pretty.
large,
Moment.
extra large. Beautiful. Where are you gonna wear it? Instagram.
It's a simple.
Grazie, wow.
How much is that one?
Now, like I said, on one of my other videos,
I
I really don't have anywhere to wear this dress.
It's good.
In
But
February,
It's very
in January,
expensive, so.
come here in Milano in the
I
show.
can come to
I
Milan.
don't have to pass on this, but just trying it on was worth it.
This will be fabulous for me to wear in Thailand when I go back in February when it's really hot. Love the linen. What greater joy and pleasure could you have than buying your clothes for your U.S. store with a view of Positano like this? We made beautiful purchases will be in a couple of weeks and ready for the holiday. Silk velvet, gorgeous. Thank you so much for shopping with Grace and Joy, and now you can see where some of our clothes come from. So excited for these clothes. So we're in Italy, southern Italy. We bought some handmade silk velvets, all made in this location. Beautiful, clean, gorgeous sewing by hand in Italy. How are you doing, Mom? I did my buying, and now I'm worn out. It just wore me out. But Salvatore was amazing.